Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Arakan Rohingya Salvation Army. Arakan Rohingya Ketinyi Damado. 30th May 2017. Press release. This statement is issued especially to dismiss all kinds of false, fabricated and fake news, as well as information circulated by the Burmese State Consular Office, other branches of the Burmese government, and the oppressive Burmese military regime against the dignity and decency of Arakan Rohingya Salvation Army, ARSA. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rohingya Salvation Army. Statement Yanore Elan Nama Yanore Neradia Gidi Burmar Sharkar State Consular Office Onya Muktalif Department Officer Kol Zalimi Burmar Military Sharkar Terputu Asar Babat Muze Gair Wujud Naqli Batili Ar Misa Mialguri Khawarkol Circulate Gurur Putzagamade side or de Yanore Nafi Goribala Neradia Gide. We recall the previous statement, which visibly expresses the prime objective of the establishment of ARSA as to defend, salvage, and protect Rohingya community in Arakan with our best capacities, as we have the legitimate right under the international law to defend ourselves in line with the principle of self-defense. Agezidin arsat tarbutu neladia gide al elan nama ase elan nama higi namade sab guri koi dia gide ki arsar asal bunyadi usul lihi Rohingya komore defa goron Hebasat Goron, Ranger Komore, Musibati Basa Loibade, Dunyar Alami Kanunor, Wusulat Tarbutu, Nizorin is a defend Goribala, Defa Goribala Hokore, Estamal Goron, Ian clearly Koidiagi. 8 loudly and clearly declares that our defensive attacks have only been aimed at the oppressive Burmese regime in accordance with international norms and principles until our demands are fulfilled. Again, Radiagide, Elanama Maze Sabsabguri Koidiagidi ki Arsar Hamla begin the se Burmar Zalimishar Harokase Nishana Luazebo. In the La Nishani Luana Yano, Hokiano Rase, Dunyabi Kanu not Torbotu, self-defense. Goribar Hok Azere Yanor Shambunde Gorazebu Li Wagi Arzidun Niki Inklabi Kam Goribara Simbigin Ranyar Asa Turputu Zigin Niki Diman Lamagia Gil Dimanegin Furasa Odazi Goriaza Kwagi. It confirms that we do not commit any form of terrorism against any civilian regardless of their religion and ethnic origin, as we do not subscribe to the notion of committing terrorism for our legitimate cause. Again, Yagide, Elanamaze, Yano Sabsab Guri Koidaki Asat Turputu Konodilla, Shantrashi or terrorist Amal Goranoza are Zidunigi civilian Ase, Gair Hukumat, Gair military Insan Colore Konodilla Hamla Goranozago. Tarar Din or Poresaitana, the Konodilla Hamla Goranazago, Tarar background Commuter Poresaitana, Hamla Goranazago Arhindala Goriba Shamam Muse, Asatur Putu Konodilla, terrorist Amal Dase, Goribar, Niotone, Amali Sabe Goranozati and Koagia. It guarantees that we assure the safety and well-being of all ethnic communities, their places of worship, and properties in Arakan state. Agar statement Elan Namaze Yano Koagidiki Arsat Turputu Arkanat aside jandar beginner dase mar de janor pore rase garanti diagi jeto dilla qaum klase qaum beginner tara ibadatullah mahfuzatullah boli garanti diagi itarar ibadat khana ar property mal beginner pore kono dilla hamla noy boli garanti diagi. We reiterate that ARSA has no link with any terrorist groups around the world. Arabbar ARSA terpottu yan khwazat dikhi ARSA ye duniyar kono dilla terrorist tamzimakkol और शंतराशी तमजीमुक्कल और हमारे संबंध नहीं कोनो दिला ताल्लुकात नहीं लियन अरब्बर ख्वाजर. In line with the above mentioned founding principles of ARSA, we have never attacked or killed any civilian, as it is claimed in numerous false, fabricated and fake news, as well as information circulated by the Burmese State Consular Office, other branches of the government, and the oppressive Burmese military regime. ARSA बुनियादर उसूल जिंदगी आसे उसूल निसे अज्जा आसी आसार तपत्ती खनो गैर हुकूमतर मंचरे हमला कराना होजा जिंदलाने की स्टेट काउंसिलर ऑफिस और सरकार और डिपार्टमेंट ब्रांचेस को आसे और मिलिट्री सरकार तपत्ती जिंदलाने की गैर सही खबर कल दुनिया का बसम्मदे चाल करे हिंदला मोजिन आरसा तपत्ती कराना होजा. We are well aware and conscious that both the Burmese government and the oppressive Burmese military regime are trying their best to tarnish the noble image of ARSA in order to create obstacles for us in seeking political, financial, technical, and logistic supports and assistance from the members of the legitimate international community to strengthen our legitimate cause in accordance with international norms and principles. ARSA terpottu yano bhalaguri zana asidiki Burmar sarkar ar zalimi military regime terpottu kushit koradar diki ARSA izzatar hore hamla dali bade ARSA izzatar hore rukawat dali bade duniyar jidun niki कानूनन मदद क्लासे सियासी मदद सियासी हिमायत पैसा गुरी हिमायत माली हिमायत टेक्निकल हिमायत तौर तरीका हिमायत और लॉजिस्टिक हिमायत इन बेगिनरे दुनिया जिदुन की डिप्लोमेटिक चैनल क्लासे लेजिटिमेट इंटरनेशनल कम्युनिटी आसे इतार तरफतु आसर खासे नोय वल्ला नवोजी वल्ला कुशिकरदियन बालागुरी जाना आसे. Therefore, only the Burmese State Consular Office, other branches of the Burmese government, and the oppressive Burmese military regime are exclusively responsible for circulating their own false, fabricated, and fake news, as well as information against ARSA to the international community, diplomatic corps from various countries, citizens of the world at large, and the Burmese local public. Yana Dwara Burma सरकार तरपत्तु स्टेट काउंसिल ऑफिस तरपत्तु डिपार्टमेंट कल तरपत्तु बर्मा जालिमी सरकार तरपत्तु मिलिट्री सरकार तरपत्तु जिदुन निकी गैर सही खबर कल दी आसर परे रुकावत दिबला कुछ करे एगिनर संबंधे अन्य खनो तमजिमत तिराते जिम्मालवाना हरिबो आर सत्य जिम्मालवाना हरिबो जितारा निकी बर्मा सरकार तरपत्तु इनला गैर सही बातिली खबर कल नेलाई बादे दुनिया तिकारा जानावला कुछ कर खबर है कि नर जिम्मा बिगिनते बर्मा सरकार तुलावरी बदयन ख्वाजर अताउल्लाह Commander in Chief Arkan Rohingya Salvation Army.